Are you ready for a spine-chilling phenomenon that baffles and terrifies homeowners? Imagine, on a quiet night, being utterly alone, but suddenly you hear mysterious whispers coming from inside the walls of your very own home. These whispers aren't caused by leaky pipes or scurrying rodents. Residents in ancient homes report hearing inexplicable noises, whispers, cries, even footsteps emanating from beneath the plaster. The sounds often seem desperate, as if trying to convey an urgent message, but here's where it truly becomes unsettling. One family managed to record these ghostly voicings. They captured a voice clearly pronouncing their names, echoing chillingly from their child's bedroom wall. Now, ask yourself, if the walls in your home started to whisper your name, would you take that as a good sign or a sinister warning?